Good morning. Today we're going to be doing some pork ribs and tri-tip for a party. We got about 6 rack of ribs and 4 tri-tips. So tri-tips marinating, got to do some quick prep on the ribs, and we're going to be cooking on the Lone Star Grillz horizontal insulated cabinet smoker today. So we'll be going over that, talking a little bit about that smoker, but we got some work to do. Hang tight and we'll be cooking. Today we'll be doing the ribs in the go-to recipe of Uncle Chris's and some Heath Riles garlic jalapeno. Quick little coat of spicy brown mustard, and away we go. So one of the things I like to do is mix my rubs into these little stainless containers. That way you're not having to worry about contamination. I'm going to wash this as soon as I'm done. But just 50-50, jalapeno and the Chris's steak rub. Nothing special, and a nice liberal coat, top bottom, and we'll get these on the smoker.
we're waiting for this to get up to temperature, worth a little bit of a chat. So I don't cook on this cooker a whole lot. It's absolutely massive, and it's just not a good use. I enjoy cooking with the cooker. However, it takes a lot of work even to get it up to temp. It's not a hard process, just time. So this thing will take about an hour or so to get up to temp. I actually just did all of the seasoning of the ribs while this was warming up, and I think we're about 120 degrees or so right now. But it's a good hour to get it from about 75 degrees up to cooking temp at 250. It'll take us about an hour. Now, once it's there, the fireboard we'll do a good job of keeping it right on temp. So a little bit of extra time. However, once up at temp, this thing cruises. This will maintain probably 5-degree temp window in through the entire probably 4 to 5 hour cook today. But I've done brisket on this 20 hours and literally overnight. Slept through a cook and came out. Everything was looking great, but kept about a 2-degree temp window. So the fireboard's awesome. Very, very, very efficient cooker. You can find a lot of videos online. About a 20-pound bag of briquettes will keep you cooking for about 20 hours. So definitely has its advantages. Not a cooker I cook with every weekend. Definitely enjoy the horizontal offset a little more work. But this thing is a 10, so I want to say it weighed in at about 1,100 pounds, something like that. So if you guys want more info on this, let me know. Be happy to add some content with this cooker, but I usually do much larger cooks with it. I love it. It's great. I have no complaints, but it's just such a large cooker. It takes quite a while to get up to temp. Okay, time to get the meat on. We got the ribs sweat up real nice. Cooker's getting pretty close to temp, and so we're going to go ahead and get these ribs going. We're about an hour in right now. Ribs are cruising along pretty good. Gonna get this tri-tip on and keep going. Everything's looking good. Here we are about 2.5 hours. Pork ribs should be about ready to come off. Yeah, we'll be getting these wrapped up. So get them off the smoker, get them wrapped, and back on here. And here you can see we got some good pullback going. So this is in one of the hotter spots. Why I want to put it in there, one of the meatier ribs, cooked up pretty good. We have the ribs off. We got just some thick, heavy-duty grilling aluminum foil. Nothing special here, just a couple sticks of butter cut up, non-salted. We're going to go ahead and wrap these meat side down, couple flicks of butter, and get them back on the smoker.
and back on the smoker we go. Gonna shuffle the tri-tip around a little bit. That was starting to look pretty good. We have a total cook time of about 4 hours on these ribs. We're going to get them off and get them unwrapped, get them back on here to kind of dry back up and reset the bark. So we'll let them rest about 20-30 minutes, and then we'll cut them up. But they are feeling very tender. So I'll take a couple quick peeks at a few of these, but yeah, they're just falling apart here. So good disintegration, obviously bones coming out, very, very tender, been basting in their juice for the last hour. So we're gonna get these out and stack them back up, get them back in the smoker, and they'll be ready to dry back up, kind of reset the bark, and then we'll be good to go. Time to get the tri-tip finished up. Got this gas grill ripping, probably 600-700 degrees. And we're just going to go ahead and get these back on the grill. A couple minutes each side, 2-3 minutes. Quick 2 minutes, just enough to get a little color on them, and we'll go ahead and get them flipped. Okay, we got a total of about 4 minutes. Gonna pull these off, let them rest, and we'll get cutting these up. And here we have it. We got a 4 tri-tip, 6 rack of rib, and getting ready to get these cut up and ready for pickup.